Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The prospect of a spot in the player pool for next year's FIFA World Cup qualifiers is high in the thoughts of the 5 domestic players in the Reggae Boys squad ahead of the pair of friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia this month. Simon Preston caught up with the local contingent at the UWI-JFF Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence on Thursday ahead of their departure to the Asian continent.
The last time the Reggae Boys played an international was on March 11 against Bermuda at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. 4 players from that encounter, Kemal Malcolm, Lamar Walker, Jashawn Anglin and Dennis Taylor, have been rewarded for their good form from that game and are in the mix for the trip to the Middle East alongside Ricardo Morris. Morris has been in and out of the national setup since 2014, but has been a member of Jamaica's squad at the last 2 Gold Cups. The 27-year-old is happy to return to the squad and is aiming for positive results in the Middle East.
It's a good feeling being here again. Just have to go out there and get the job done. Every time we go on this pitch, we want to get a win. We want to win to make the supporters them be on our side and things. So that's the mindset, to go out there and get a win.
Malcolm provided the assist for Jamaica's second goal against Bermuda in March, and he is hoping to impress in Saudi Arabia to get more playing opportunities next year.
Yes, that's my main aim and that's my focus. I mean, next year is a lot of football to be played. So if and when I go on the pitch, my main aim is just to give a good impression. Because as you know, last impression lasts. That's what the coach will judge you on.
Goalkeeper Dennis Taylor made his debut for Jamaica against Bermuda and kept a clean sheet, and he's looking to seize his opportunity in the current player pool. In the absence of Jamaica's first-string goalkeeper Andre Blake due to Major League Soccer commitments, Taylor will be competing with Amal Knight and Dwayne Miller for a spot between the sticks.
Yes, I see that. So I just have to embrace the opportunity that I get and take it with 2 hands and try to do my best at all times.
Youngsters Lamar Walker and Jashawn Anglin are driven to impress ahead of a busy 2021.
Just have to stay focused and play with each other and just get the job done.
Yes, definitely. I'm aiming to it. I just want to be in the World Cup qualifier next year.
The 5 players and support staff will be tested for COVID-19 on Friday, and if they produce negative results, they will depart the island for Saudi Arabia over the weekend. The overseas players will meet up with the delegation on November 9 in Saudi Arabia. The pair of friendlies are set for November 14 and 17 at the Prince Faisal bin Fahad Stadium in the capital city of Riyadh. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.